In the heart of the ancient Roman Empire, a monumental undertaking was about to commence. The year was 70 AD, and the Emperor Vespasian had a grand vision, a colossal amphitheater that would stand as a testament to Rome's power and majesty. The Colosseum, as it was later named, was to be a symbol of Rome's dominance, a stage for the grandiose spectacles that the empire was renowned for. It was to be a place where Romans could gather, their hearts pounding with anticipation, as they watched gladiators clash, wild beasts roam, and epic dramas unfold. Vespasian, a shrewd and pragmatic ruler, knew the importance of this project. He understood that the Colosseum would not only serve as an entertainment venue, but also as a means to strengthen the bond between the Roman people and their empire. The project was not without its challenges. Laborers toiled under the scorching sun, hewing stone blocks from the nearby quarries, each one weighing up to 2,000 pounds. The task was arduous, and the deadline loomed ever nearer. Yet, Vespasian pressed on. The Roman military was enlisted to aid in the construction, their discipline and efficiency ensuring that the project progressed at a rapid pace. The people of Rome watched in awe as the colossal structure began to take shape, its arches and columns rising majestically from the ground. As the years passed, the Colosseum grew, a towering testament to Rome's engineering prowess. It was a marvel of its time, a symbol of Rome's power and a beacon of its culture. When it was finally completed, it stood as the largest amphitheater in the world, able to accommodate over 50,000 spectators. The opening games were a spectacle unlike any other. Gladiators from all corners of the empire clashed in epic battles, wild beasts roamed the arena, and the crowd roared with delight. The Colosseum had become more than just a building, it was a living, breathing monument to Rome's power and its people's spirit. Throughout the centuries, the Colosseum has stood as a symbol of Rome's grandeur. It has weathered the storms of time, its stones silent witnesses to the ebb and flow of history. Today, it stands as a testament to the ambition, the resilience, and the sheer willpower of the Roman Empire, a monument that continues to inspire awe in all who behold it. And so, the story of the Colosseum, that grand amphitheater built in 70 AD, is not just a tale of stone and mortar. It is a story of ambition, of sacrifice, and of the indomitable spirit of the Roman people. It is a story that continues to resonate, a testament to the power of vision and the enduring legacy of Rome.